switchbacks. Straight across it. Yeah, stay on the switchbacks. Way easier. Nice. Straight across. Whoa. Dude, I did the exact same thing. Okay, now there's a sharp right up here somewhere. Down, right. This is the Rambler Trail. Say it. This is the Rambler Trail. Left, stay. And then hard right, maybe. Yeah, hard right. There you go. Hello, how are you? Hello. Oh, I touched it. I touched poison oak. Oh God, I hope not. Because it got my arm. Now we'll be able to test my theory. Paddle, 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 dude. Don't slow down. There you go. You did. Yes, that's where you... Oh, I think there's one more similar to that. That might have been the one though, dude. Or no, it was this one. Oh, this is the Rambler. This is the Rambler Trail. Nice. Clear it. Nice. Okay, now this is a wicked downhill from here. No, just fast, not steep, like gentle, all the same grade. It's rare. Yeah, Ramblers are kind of rare. You don't see many Ramblers. We should figure out what year this is by looking in the on the internet. Figure out what year that is. It's a 4-door.
Top is white.
Top is white. The rest of it's blue, right? Had like square doors. We'll figure that out.
And the rest of them is dug up.
Yeah, we're gone.
How is it gone?
Oh, maybe somebody needed a part. Okay, hammer it, dude. Whoa, that was low. Left at the top. Left. Hello. I know. Yeah, the river's taking it over.